This is Paul Powell. I am showcasing my Java project in my attempt to kind of learn Java and see what it's all about. I got interested in the concept of a GUI, so my program, it creates a very simple GUI right here. And this tab is where all of the properties of that GUI are, including all the imports. It's a lot to import with everything that's going on. Sadly, it's mainly just a bunch of text fields and text boxes. I tried to use conditionals, I tried to use variables. The whole purpose of this project is I really enjoy Dungeons and Dragons, so I was curious if I could just make my own homemade character creator. I have a feeling I'll continue this project on my spare time because it just fascinates me. But as of right now, I coded all this in manually, and there is something in Eclipse called a window builder. And I really tried to work with it, but for some reason I couldn't get it to function properly, so I just ended up coding all of this manually. The first part is the character name, where the character name goes, the stats for the character, raw numbers and data. I hope to eventually be able to have users put in the numbers and then have modifiers automatically display to the right. And then we have, of course, the name of the person whose character this belongs to. We have the details down here when it comes to character backgrounds, their race they play, the alignment. And of course, we have some more stats. That's what most of these are, is just stats. And for those who have played Dungeons and Dragons, you would know, you would understand, have an idea what these are. So I will run it and showcase what it creates. So this pops up, and here's the name, here's the stats as I stated before, here's the miscellaneous things, and then of course you have your armor class, initiative, personality, ideas. Everything's here. Like it does work. You can type in it. You can put down, what that is. I could put down what this is. And I have a button down here that does generate, but sadly it currently doesn't do anything. Didn't have enough time to implement that as showcasing this video. But I am really happy with how this is so far. I would redo the color scheme, of course. This is more just like a proof of concept, would you say? But I would love it if this button actually would take the text from these text areas and text fields and put it into a file or generate a PDF. I don't know, something. But other than that, I think it's a really cool proof of concept. But that's all I have.